Hello, welcome. We made it to day 24 of the 2022 Lego Advent Calendar build and reveal. The final day. Here we are, Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to everyone. And it's a minifig. How appropriate to finish with this set. It's the Guardians of the Galaxy edition of the Advent Calendar this year. It was somewhat underwhelming for most of the builds, but I think it finished strong. Look at the detail on that, the chest of the minifig. Looks fantastic. And the detail on the face. All right. There's not really much to this one. I don't even know what that's for. I'm assuming they come off. They're little molds. Then I've got all these. Well, it's a spoon and a fork. Whoop. Let's see. That there. Well, I guess it has followed the same trend as the other 23 days, where it has been somewhat underwhelming. But anyway, that's the whole idea of Advent calendars. You just got no idea what you're going to get. And in this set, I've got a lot of extra parts to put away to use at a later date. But there we have it. Day 24. Done. 2022 Advent Calendar. Done. So thank you for joining me for these for the last 24 days. I wish you, your family, and everyone a very, very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and look forward to seeing you, or look forward to bringing you more videos in 2023. Bye for now.